Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a review and unboxing of a new mic that I just got off of Amazon. So if you're in the market for a new mic, stay tuned. So this is the new HyperX QuadCast microphone that I got off of Amazon. And I'm going to be unboxing this today. This is what I'm going to be using for the voiceovers on my videos from now on. The manual. USB power cable. This is the microphone itself. It comes with its own stand. But it also comes with these two adapters so that you can put it on a boom arm, which is what I'm going to do. So this is what's in the box. You get a microphone and a microphone stand. And this is the power cord. The power cord. A boom adapter. This just screws onto the bottom of the microphone. You take the stand off, and this screws onto the microphone, and this adapter goes in the bottom in here, and then it can be attached to a boom arm. And you get the manual. It's a pretty cool looking microphone. I'm going to plug it in and try it out. All right, so this is the mic on the extension arm, on the boom arm that I purchased, the $29.95 boom arm, but it works just perfectly fine. It works great, actually. And the sound quality of this microphone is pretty incredible. I don't have anything else to compare it to because I've never ever had another microphone, but I'm recording the video on this with my DJI Go, but the sound is coming directly from this microphone. So you can get a pretty good idea of the sound quality of this microphone. I really like it. I'd buy it again for $140. Yeah, it's worth it.